As Microsoft Teams trainers, we're all about new features across Microsoft Teams. And the latest brings in a wide range of skin colours and cultural elements into the avatars in Teams. And this move reflects a growing recognition of the importance of representation in virtual environments. And of course, there's going to be conversations around authenticity versus tokenism in these avatars. Let's have a look at some pros and cons. So the new avatars could allow individuals to express their identities more authentically, and that might foster a further sense of belonging and validation. With more options to customize, users can create avatars that resonate with their personal style and cultural background. I like the creative freedom idea of that. And maybe these avatars can serve as icebreakers and conversation starters to help promote appreciation and understanding of different cultures within our teams. But how about potential stereotyping? There is a risk that certain elements might perpetuate stereotypes if not carefully designed or used thoughtfully. And the complexity of cultural identity may be oversimplified into a few selectable options, so maybe the full essence of an individual's heritage can't quite be captured or relayed adequately. And of course, this current technology is not yet sophisticated enough to offer huge amounts of options for truly personalised representations. And also the inclusivity is interesting here. We've got prosthetic arms available and hands, and this avatar here is also wearing a hearing aid. So look, the introduction of these changes in Teams avatar collections show an ongoing development in the principles of diversity, equality and inclusion, and I believe it's a commendable effort. How about you? What's your reaction and your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. Let's get the conversation started.